In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a half side plank or kneeling side plank with hip abduction. So firstly, we're going to be working the obliques and core when we're doing our half side plank, and then the hip abduction is going to help work the glute medius. So getting into the start position, what I want you to do is I want you to come into a position where you've got 90-degree bend at your knees. Your elbow is directly underneath your shoulder, and from this position with this hand you can put it on your hips, you can put it straight, or you can even put it up in the air, whatever you would prefer. I'm going to bring my body completely in line, so knees in line with shoulder, and I'm going to bring my hip up as high as I can. So from here I'm now going to bring my top leg straight, and in this position I'm currently in my half side plank. The hip abduction, so abduction meaning away from the body, I'm going to bring my leg up and back down. So you can either do a variation where you just do up and back down. You're trying to bring your leg completely straight, so don't start bringing it forwards or back. Completely straight up, big squeeze of the glute at the top and slowly down. You can also do a variation where you pulse the movement as well, so you do tiny repetitions, decrease range of motion, but the glute doesn't get any rest. Or alternatively, what you can do is you can hold at the top, so you could just do a static hold and make sure you hold that position. If you find that you're actually feeling it in the hip flexor, so at the front, as opposed to at the back, you can do one of two things. Try out all the variations first and see if one hits your glute more than the other. Or alternatively, what you can do is you can come up, point the foot down, and then do your repetitions with the pointed foot facing down as opposed to neutral. Sometimes that helps hit that target muscle a little bit more because we've rotated the position of the hip. The main thing people do wrong on this one is just not keeping the leg straight. So whether that's a bend in the knee that they're doing, you want to keep that knee nice and locked out, or alternatively, when they're doing the movement, they're coming too far forwards. So it's always good to have somebody there just to make sure that when you are coming up and down, even if you think it's completely straight up and down, that someone can guide you, maybe put their hand where completely straight is. So that's how to do a half side plank, and that's how to do hip abduction added into that half side plank. I'll do another exercise demonstration of how to do this with a full side plank as well. So if you're looking to progress this exercise, it would be a full side plank variation. So you would be coming into that full side plank and also bringing up the leg at the same time. That's how to do a half side plank with hip abduction, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.